So actually the effects of poor sleep itself, which usually get disturbed by snoring, it does have some emotional effect on the relationship. Either your partner is upset because they cannot even sleep well at night time, or maybe your kids see that you're cranky because you're always moody, or you're tired, you don't want to do something with your family, and the family wants to go on a holiday, and you just all what you want to do is to just have a good sleep. So basically it can have a very serious effect on the family relationship. We know when sometimes it reaches a stage that it can actually lead to divorce as well.